Thing's freaking giant. All right guys, welcome back to another Chevy Silverado build. You guys seen in the last video, we did the lift kit and the new wheels. And now we're switching over to some more performance parts. And today we have an intake for the Silverado. This is by Corsa. It comes with the actual airbox here instead of just the cheaper ones that just come with the heat shield. We also have a huge filter right here. It comes with all plastic tubing that's molded. It's great for heat. New couplers, as well as a car badge if you live in California. We also got some new hoses here. So here is the stock intake. We got this huge piece right here that basically for noise, and it just restricts airflow quite a bit. Filter is right here. It's quite small, and the only inlet where it gets air from is right in here. You can't really see it, but once we remove that, you'll be able to see that it basically just gets air from in the fender. So we'll go ahead and start removing all this. It should be pretty simple. There's just these two hoses for the PCV right here. I completely remove those because we have new hoses. Clamp here, pull that out, and then pull the stock airbox out, as well as this mass airflow sensor.
Okay. I think this one, yeah, this
there
one
we
is
go.
squeezed.
Yep. Thing's freaking giant. Now we need to take off this guy, and from instructions, looks like we need to take this little bar off here. There you go. Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why you gotta do me like that?
Lifted truck problems.
No.
You dropped it again? All right, just leave it there.
I got it.
Okay, you got it. Pop that guy off.
Let's see if I can get this guy.
There you go. All right.
Okay.
Yep. And then 10 mil.
Oh, wait.
Well, I don't even get what that thing. Yeah. All
I
right.
was like, wait a minute.
Now this thing should just pull right off. So just yank on that thing. It should just go straight up.
Nothing's holding it down?
I don't think so. I didn't see nothing. It's gonna be moose. No. Alright. So we're pulling the top of the intake off on the stock intake box just to see how the filter looks. I don't think it should be too bad. Yeah, so this is the clean side. And then this is the dirty side.
Not as bad as I thought it'd be.
Yeah,
It's bad.
it's not terrible. So we're going from this paper filter to that.
Which is an oil filter, if I'm not mistaken.
But this is reusable, I think, too, so you can wash that. You can't wash this, because this is paper, and it will just disintegrate when you put water on it. But this is actually a washable filter, and you just re-oil it whenever you use it again. Yeah, look how much of a difference the box is. Like, it's crazy this whole thing's gonna fit in there.
Mm-hmm.
Fit our giant airbox in, we're gonna have to remove this. I guess you'd call it a mount for the airbox, for the stock airbox. There's 4 bolts. Let's hit it. There you go.
Still so.
Okay, can you see those bolt holes down there? There you go, right there. All right, so you guys know we are not sponsored in this video, so we're not going to hold back on Corsa at all. See how that bolt lines up right there? And that one is not seated properly. It needs to go down about another inch to half an inch. And you can see, let me turn the flash on, that we're making contact right there with the box. or with the truck, sorry. And it's really just hitting on this, on my left side right here. So to fix that, we're gonna use just some 120 grit sandpaper and just really try to sand down that edge right there so it's not hitting part of the fender. We're gonna just sand it basically right here and try to flatten that out. Throw the big guy in here. Ones make too much power.
The eBay one gave it.
Have you been holding the camera like that the whole time?
Like this?
This is not TikTok, Tyler.
I miss my Sonata.
Now, oh, we gotta take off.
You can use that video and then put like the slow violin over it.
All right, so here's an important part here. So you see how this is how it was on the car on there.
So the mass airflow sensor needs to go exact same way.
All right, and if you accidentally flip this around, the way that you know which way it goes is this part that has this little sensor actual deal in there. That goes to where the air is coming in. So this is gonna go like this. If you install it like this, your car's probably gonna run like shit. So don't do that. We'll just tighten them by hand now, and then off camera we'll grab the 100-pound torque wrench and torque these down to 100 foot-pounds. We got the box in there, so you've seen it was making a little bit of contact right there, right in that little corner. Well, we have the cover off because we think it's gonna be louder without the cover on for now. We're obviously gonna put it on, but all right, go ahead and start it. All right, hold on, keep going. I want to get the exhaust. Yep. Dude, for some reason, you can hear the difference up there. You probably can't hear it, but when you get the exhaust, is like louder for some reason. I don't know. You tell me.
It's so much louder. The exhaust is definitely louder.
It was louder too. I was like, what the hell? I didn't think it would really make a difference on the exhaust, but. All right, so we got the truck on and everything's all buttoned up. Off camera, me and Tyler noticed the engine was shaking a lot more than usual. It was still running fine. It was just shaking more than usual. And I pulled on my code reader and I was getting like 3 intake codes, which I believe is because we pulled this mass airflow sensor connector off without disconnecting the battery. So if you don't have a code reader or something that can clear codes, definitely disconnect the battery before you do this. But it's running fine now. We're gonna go ahead and give it some revs to see what it sounds like with the air box on. So we went on a little test drive. We're gonna go onto this road right here and then see how it sounds under load. So go and flip around. All right, on you.
Ready?
Yep. See different at all? Does it seem faster at all, or can you
It
tell?
definitely guns it a little bit. You can feel the throttle response a little more.